What's a Corn Pro? So this is trailer day for us, guys. We are looking at trailers. Sam wants a dump trailer. He said that if he gets a dump trailer, he can get rid of the dump truck, which will definitely offset the price of the trailer. And then, and he wants me to learn how to drive with a trailer attached, which is probably a good skill to have. He looked at these 6x12s and then decided that a 5x10 was big enough, and we were just on our way back down to the office with our salesman Joe, who's pretty amazing. He's a really friendly guy. And then, guess what? Turned around because now he's deciding he thinks he might need a 12-footer. He looked at this one. I think I said I didn't like the scratches inside, but apparently when they haul these, they put things inside, like extra wheels, smaller trailers. And it's like, well, geez, that kind of scratched off all this powder coating and stuff, but he's going to undercoat it, I think he said, anyway. So, and he told me if he gets his dump trailer, I can get my stone mulch for the greenhouse a lot quicker. And that I could go pick up the horse poop, because I have a source for free horse poop. And I just need the trailer for that. So, let's see. When you look at them online, and he did a lot of shopping online, and then you come and see them, like some of them, like this one, they have a dump gate where you can dump the trailer, and you can control how it comes out, and some of them don't. You just have to open the doors and pin them back. Some of them have the ramps on the side, which I tried to lift one. I couldn't even budget, so he decided to go with one that had ramps underneath, and I'm not sure what we're going to end up with. Where's that at? So now we're looking at this one that has the, what are those? The ramps underneath. It has the barn door doors, but it also has this where you can tailgate. It has these for 2x4s. I don't know what that is. Just some kind of chain connector there. This has step sides. Okay, so we came back to look at the 12-footer, and now we've decided we're going to stick with the 5x10, and it's hot out here, so I got to catch up with my ride. Alrighty, so this is the one we got. Even after we went back and looked at the 12-footer, it wasn't the money, it was just the size decision. He looked at it and said it might be nice, but it just wasn't necessary for what he plans on hauling, which is just random gravel, horse poop, pea gravel, as well as the lawnmower. So they are hooking everything up.
Yeah, I think he is on the inside right there.
So that's it. I know it's not exciting for you, but it's pretty exciting for us.